Okay, so I received this package in the mail today from Simply Nailogical. Very excited. Oh, can't believe it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Don't mind the background noise. Oh, should turn on some lights. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I don't know if you can see it. Okay, here it goes. Oh, okay. Oh! Ethically sourced unicorns. Oh my gosh. Oh. So there's the white one. Not milky white. Oh my god, I love it. The packaging is just awesome. This is perfect color. As you can see, I'm wearing blue at the same time. Oh, it's perfect. Solar unicorn skin. Oh my god, I love these. So pretty, so pretty. Oh, I'm focusing. And this is the Aurora unicorn skin. And cosmic unicorn skin. I'm gonna open this one up. Oh, I don't want to break it. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, I don't want to break it. Give me a second. So, I'm gonna go ahead and try the cosmic unicorn skin. I mean, but look at the packaging. Like what is this? This is magic. I know my nails don't look the best at the moment, but we'll make do. Wow. Oh my god, I absolutely love it. Oh, I haven't tried the other ones, but this is magical. Like, come on. Focusing? Sorry, it's not focusing. I don't know, it's focusing on the HOLO taco. Fair play. But it is gorgeous. Oh my god, I love it so much. And the others that I got a few extra bits as well. I mean, look, I don't want to wreck this. Hello. I got the glossy top coat. Well, glossy taco. Ah, it's so beautiful. And flaky hollow taco. So I'm gonna try this one too on on a different nail. So we'll see how that goes. Yay! This is just crazy pretty. I'm gonna try it on straight away. Oh my goodness. Very different effects. I mean, of course it would be, but oh my god. How am I gonna decide, huh? I mean, I don't know, you can't probably see it, but it's just magic. Magic. I mean, wow. Yeah, I know my nails don't look pretty, but I had to try them on. I'm definitely gonna do my nails after this. Wow. It's not focusing, I'm sorry, but see the colors, like what? Oh my god. Totally love all this. Thank you, Christine. Thank you so much. You made my day. Well, you made my whatever. I'm just gonna spend all my days now painting my nails. Alright, you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.